Big news coming in. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge has launched a scathing attack on the VBG Ramji Bill 2025, accusing the government of renaming Manrega in what he calls a BJP RSS conspiracy. Mallikarjun Kharge claimed the move is an attempt to dismantle the scheme and undermine the rights of the poor, calling it hollow, hypocritical and anti-Labour. He also warned of strong resistance in Parliament. Let me straight away go across to my colleague Niyamika, who is joining us on the broadcast for more on this. As expected, Niyamika, a scathing attack there coming in from Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge on the change of the name of the scheme, Manrega.
Well, yes, indeed, the entire opposition is basically criticizing the government of India regarding this entire matter. As now the latest is from the leader of opposition in Rajya Sabha, the Congress president, Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, who has basically made this allegation that it is a BJP RSS conspiracy to end Manrega, and that is the only reason why this bill has been moved in the Parliament. As in a particular tweet which he has posted today, he has made this allegation that erasing Gandhi's name on the century of Sangh shows how hollow and hypocritical those are who, like Modi ji, offer flowers to Bapu on foreign soil. So that is a big claim which is coming in on the part of the Congress party, as not just the Congress but the other opposition parties have also opposed this move within the Parliament, and that is also being clarified on the part of Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge as well, that the Congress party will go on the streets if such kind of decision will be implemented, as he had called it an arrogant regime that is against the poor and the workers, and that is the only reason why the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge has also given an assurance that the Congress party will hit the streets if any such kind of decision will be taken by the government.
All right. Thank you very much, Niyamika. Appreciate you joining us with your input on this story.